Let me tell you, this one is a game changer. That is crafting effective emails. Crafting effective emails is at the heart of successful email marketing. A great email is not just about writing, it is about connecting with your audience in the way that's clear, personal, and actionable. Whether you're sharing updates, promoting a product, or inviting someone to an event, every element of your email matters. The subject line, the message itself, and what you want your reader to do next. In this module, we'll break down how to write emails that get opened, read, and acted upon. You'll learn how to structure emails, write compelling copy designed for mobile users, and test what works best. We're talking about crafting emails that don't just sit in inboxes but actually gets opened, read, and clicked. Because here's the truth, writing email is not just typing words and hitting send. It is about creating a moment, a connection between you and your reader. So, ready to become a messaging ninja? Let's jump in. Email structure and elements. Alright, let's break this down real quick. Every killer email has three parts. That is subject line, what grabs attention into the in the inbox. Here this is the subject line. You're writing for someone, it is a recipient to whom you are sending your mail. This is the subject line. Okay. And what grabs attention in the inbox, body of the content, where you deliver your message. This is the body of the content. This whole thing is the body of the content where you deliver your message. And CTA, call to action, what you want your reader to do. So a subject line that grabs attention, a body that delivers the goods, a CTA that guides the reader. Think of it like a conversation. Okay, you say something interesting, that is the subject line. And then share something valuable, that is the body of the content. You elaborate it and then invite them to take action, that's the flow. Subject line, this is the first thing your reader sees. It must be clear, short, and interesting. Let's start at the top. Literally, your subject line is your one shot to stand out in a crowded inbox. It's got to be short, clear, and little teasy, but in a good way. Okay. So fresh from the oven, 20% off pastries this weekend. This can be a subject line for your bakery. And the another example is a new recipe you'll love, or you can also write you are invited a secret baking class. A quick tip, keep it under 50 characters when you can, especially for your mobile. Body of content, this is where you provide value, share a story, offer, or update. Keep it conversational, relevant, and helpful. Now, the body is where the magic happens. This is your chance to deliver value, whether that's a recipe, a story, a special deal, or a reminder. Okay. For example, hi, you write your name. We are excited to share this with week's recipe, chocolate croissant made easy. Plus, enjoy 20% of all pastries this weekend. Just show this email at the counter, and don't forget we are hosting a baking demo Saturday at 2 p.m. Hope to see you. Um, a quick tweak. I would suggest you to keep it conversational, like how I'm talking to you now. Focus on you and not we. Use short paragraphs and plenty of white space. And always make it helpful. You can also write it as, this week's recipe is so classic. Chocolate croissant made ridiculously easy. Come by this weekend for 20% off all pastries. Just show this email at the checkout, and hey, don't miss our baking demo on Saturday at 2 p.m. It's going to be fun. Sounds friendly, right? That's the goal. Call to action. A CTA tells the reader what to do next. Click a button, reply, visit, or buy. Now, for the CTA, your mic drop. This is where you tell your reader what to do next. Think buttons or bold text like, for example, download the recipe, get my discount, or claim your discount, or reserve your spot now, or RSVP for your demo. Keep it bold, clear and super obvious. If someone only glances, they should still know what you want them to do. Copywriting for email. Copywriting means writing in a way that persuades and connects. Good email copy feels like a helpful message from a friend, not a sales pitch. So, how do you write emails people actually want to read? Here's a cheat code. Write like you talk, friendly and clear. Talk like a friend, not like a salesperson. And then focus on you, the reader, not we, the business. Use emotional, benefit driven language. Highlight benefits, not the features. And keep paragraph short and scannable. Keep it skimmable. Use bullets, headers, bold text. Use emotional words that make people feel something. For example, instead of saying we are offering a 20% discount on our pastries, you can say your favorite trees just got sweeter. Take 20% off pastries this weekend. Feels the difference? Do you feel the difference, right? And the next one is design mobile friendly emails. More than 60% of emails are opened on phones, so it's crucial to design with mobile users in mind. Designing for mobile because duh, everyone's on phones. Real talk. Over 60% of people open emails on their phones. So if your email doesn't look good on mobile, you're losing clicks. Must have. Use single column layouts. Use one column layouts. That's enough. Keep subject lines under 50 characters. Use large readable fonts. Always keep your fonts at least 14 to 16 px for text. Big readable fonts at least. Tappable CTA buttons. Make CTA buttons big enough to tap them. Avoid clutter. Stick to one main message. For example, instead of a long email with multiple offers, send a clean, simple message. Subject can be this week's sweet deal. Our body can be come by this weekend and enjoy 20% of your favorite pastries. Just show this email. Claim my discount. This is a subject here. This is the body of the content, and this is the CTA. CTA must be clear, tappable. CTA button. This must be tappable. Claim my discount must be in a tappable format. And the next one is A/B testing. A/B testing, also called split testing, means sending two versions of an email to see which performs better. This helps you improve open rates, click-through rates, and overall engagement. What to know? Want to know what really works? You test it. A/B testing, aka split testing, lets you compare two versions of your email, maybe different subject lines, layout, or CTAs, and see which one gets better. So, how to do it? Subject lines. Change one element like subject line. CTA button text. Send version A to half of your list and version B to half of your list. Check the stats, opens, clicks, etc. Use the winner next time. Okay, you can change or you can test it with subject line, CTA button text, email layout. You can experiment with your email layout, images with no images. What you can do is send half email, create two emails A and B and send half of it to half of the list and the other B part to the other list. Personalization using the reader's name. So how to do it? Here's how you can do. Change one element. Choose one thing to text. Examples, subject line. Send version A to half of your list, version B to the other half. Measure results, open rates, click, etc. Use the winning version in future emails. For example, subject A, you are invited to our baking demo or don't miss the baking demo. For subject B, Saturday plans come bake with us, or it can be Saturday plans come bake with us. Whichever gets more opens shows what your audience prefers. So you send two mails, subject A and subject B, and then you can check which one gets more clicks and which one is open more. So then you can go with your test. Summary. Every email should have a strong subject, helpful body, and clear CTA. Write conversational. benefit focused copy that speaks directly to the reader. Designed with mobiles users in mind. Simple, scannable, and clickable. Use A/B testing to learn what works and improve your emails over time. Subject line is equals to grab attention. Body is equals to be friendly, helpful, and real. CTA guide them to action. Use a clickable button. Make it mobile friendly and then test to get better every time. Let's go back to our favorite example, your small bakery. You collect emails from walk-in customers and online order. Okay, imagine you run a small bakery. You collect email addresses from customers who visit your shop and those who order online. Every week you send a friendly email sharing a new recipe, offering a discount on your best selling pastries, and inviting customers to an upcoming event. Here's how you can apply what you have learned. This week's email can be subject your secret chocolate croissant recipe and a treat inside. So in this email we can add this as a subject. Okay, I'll add it here. This is a subject, and body can be hi Sarah, we just shared our fan favorite chocolate croissant recipe. It is easier than you think. To sweeten your weekend, show this email and enjoy 20% off all pastries Friday through Sunday. Please don't miss our baking demo this Saturday at 2 p.m. You'll learn how to twist dough like a pro. This can be a body, and here this is a call of action. Looking forward to see you, the Sweet Crumbs Bakery team. This with clear CTA like grab the recipe or reserve your email feel personal and exciting and they work. They actually work. That's email marketing done right. So that's a wrap for module 4, crafting effective emails. Next up, we are diving into automation and email tools because once you got great emails, it's time to make your life easier with smart workflows and tools that do the heavy lifting. So stretch, hydrate, and I'll see you in the module 5.